Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Spokane, Washington, home of Sonderen Packaging. This family-owned company has operated as a custom manufacturer for over 60 years. Sonderen Packaging designs and manufactures paperboard packaging, primarily for their retail shelf. Their customers depend on this vibrant packaging to protect and market their products effectively. The company's 130,000 square foot manufacturing facility houses over 40 pieces of advanced equipment. This state-of-the-art machinery ensures consistent print quality and structural integrity, making fulfillment and end use easy for customers and consumers. Environmental responsibility is integral to Sonderen's culture and operations. Paperboard, recognized as the most sustainable packaging material on the market, supports a circular economy because it's recyclable, compostable, and incinerable. Sonderen offers 7 distinct types of paperboard, each formulated to meet the various packaging and sustainability requirements of their diverse customer base. Sonderen genuinely cares about their customers' success and are deeply committed to exceptional customer service. Their seasoned team of professionals brings extensive expertise to every project. They specialize in crafting innovative packaging solutions and launching new products to market quickly and efficiently. Sonderen Packaging's vision is fierce independence. As a third-generation independently owned business, they offer reliability, longevity, and stability to customers, employees, and suppliers. Their steadfast dedication to quality, service, and innovation has cemented their reputation in the industry as a premier custom manufacturer in the Pacific Northwest. Visit Sonderen today at sonderen.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.